And finally, we have the pros and cons of the authoritative parents. The pros include that the child has a balanced attitude about achievement. This stems from the parents' focus on growth rather than perfection. The child doesn't have this unbearable weight to achieve what the parents expect them to do. Rather, they focus on what they can do to keep getting better and meet these high achievements that they set on themselves. They also tend to have better social skills because they've worked with the parent on compromise. They're able to explain what they're thinking and how they feel about a certain topic, but they're also able to listen to what others have to say and reach a good compromise. This makes it a lot easier to make friends and be able to have a mutual relationship where you're able to control some of the aspects of it and you let other people contribute to other aspects. It's just a better, well-rounded, healthier relationship. They also tend to have higher grades because they know how to regulate their actions and choices and behaviors. They can choose how much time to dedicate to studies versus other extracurricular activities, and they're willing to sit down and get their work done. It's just they've learned how to balance their time and commitments. These students tend to have lower rates of substance abuse also because they're able to think about the situation and weigh the pros and cons. They're also able to have these conversations with their parents that discuss these topics. They're not scared that their parents are going to be upset with them, but they're also not trying to manipulate their parents into letting them try drugs without listening to what the parent has to say. And finally, these children also tend to have less depression and less mental health issues, probably because they're having this rich relationship with their parents and peers. They're able to feel accepted and feel heard while also being able to talk to people and hear what they have to say. They just form better, healthy, well-rounded relationships. And interestingly enough, there were no cons listed in this section about authoritative parenting styles. So all pros for authoritative parents.